welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a full face using a Maybelline products, since a lot of you guys DM me like, why can't you just feature affordable products? Okay girl, I'm trying. Okay, I'm here. So anyway, in this look right here, I featured all Maybelline. Well, from the cream contour, from like, I didn't use a product from Maybelline with to my eyebrows because I just totally forgot to pick up eyebrow, a cream contour and setting spray. That's the only three products that I forgot to pick up. But anyway, overall is all of the products that I'm wearing right now is from Maybelline. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see how it just look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already put concealer on both of my eyelids, and I'm using the Maybelline New York. I think this is the Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade 20 Sand Sable right there. As you can see, I use this concealer so many times right there. So I am not gonna set the concealer. I'm going right straight to this palette. This is the Lemonade Craze palette right there, and I'm gonna do like just a simple look, and I want to do this yellow inner corner that Kylie Jenner, like I saw that on Kylie Jenner. She, it's like a pop of like, instead of like shimmery shadows, she used like the yellow, I think it was yellow and pink. I will try to put like a picture of her, but for today I want it to be more just simple. So yeah, I will be using this palette. This is the Lemonade Craze. And okay, let's dive in with the shade Old Fashioned, which is right here, this brown, beautiful brown shade. I'll just put Old Fashioned all over my lids, no, all over my crease, and trying to like blend it out there. So moving on with, I will be taking Ice Pop, that yellow, not yellow, but the pink one right there, the beautiful pink. I will take that and just start blending it as well together with the Old Fashioned. So I did put eyelashes off camera because I don't think Maybelline have lashes. Alright, so anyway, I did also use this Great Lash from Maybelline. This is the clear transparent for brows, I believe, to set like my brows so you don't move. So this is what I use right there. And okay, let's move on to the yellow, no, mascara. So I will be using this Maybelline Lash, the Falsies Push Up Angel right there. So my lashes and this fake lashes will combine. I will be using the Lemonade Craze, that shade right there, that yellow shade, for my inner corner. So let's try this. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. I don't know, you guys. This yellow shade is just not, I don't know. I have a high hope that I'm gonna like this palette again, but it's just, let me try it with my finger, okay? Right there. Okay, I think it's much better to apply it with your finger. Right there. Ooh, I'm liking that. It's like a pop of color. god. Hello, yellow. Ooh. As you guys can see, my new favorite color is yellow. I think it's much better to use your finger than a brush. Okay guys, so let's move on with the face. I'm really excited because I pick up some new Maybelline foundation. For me, it's still new, and this is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. It says it's up to 24 hours foundation, but I'm not gonna test it for 24 hours because it's already late and I can't do that. So anyway, and I also have right here, I believe this is just new. This is just a new release. This is the Superstay Full Coverage. I believe it's the same one with this liquid foundation, but this is 24 hours and this is a 16 hours foundation. Now, I would say that I haven't tried any powder foundation. I don't know how to apply a powder foundation, but we're gonna work this in. We're gonna work this out. Trust me. We're gonna work this. Anyway, I also have the new Maybelline City Bronzer and contour powder. I believe when I was at Walmart, this is, where is the receipt? Right here. So the bronzer is 7 something. Yeah, I believe 7.94. I got this at Walmart. And also this one right here, the powder foundation, and this is $9.98, the liquid foundation. So these are the three Maybelline products that I haven't tried yet, but we're gonna test this out. So, and I'm really excited. Okay, so for primer, I will be using this Master Studio primer base. This is the Blur and Smooth right there. So I'll just put this primer all over my face. Now, I haven't, like I said, I haven't tried this foundation. So what I'm gonna do is, in this side, I will be using the liquid, and in this side, I will be using the powder foundation. I'm really scared because I haven't tried this, and I wanna like it because a lot of people like this Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation. So I'm just gonna, anyway, oh, so it comes with a pump right there, with a white pump. And by the way, I try to pick up my closest shade. This is the shade 127 Sand Beige, and I don't know if this is really my shade, you guys. So let's just put this in my little pen. Hold on. Alright, okay. Now the consistency is like that. It's not to the point where it's gonna run. It's not gonna run. But yeah, right there. That's the consistency. Yes, please focus. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so let's put this on my face. Just gonna put this foundation brush. And I'm gonna try to put this. One test. Okay. Okay, now I'll be using my Morphe sponge to blend this out. I know it looks so white in the in the viewfinder, or like in a camera, because I have this lights all over me, but as I'm looking at it in the mirror, it actually matches my neck, like my skin. So let me just put this all over. I really look crazy, but this is the liquid foundation, the Super Stay. What is this? The Super Stay foundation, and this is without a foundation. So with foundation, without foundation, and I know I look still crazy right now. I look like a clown, but this is without the foundation and with the foundation. And I really feel like I'm wearing a foundation, you know. It's not super light, and the packaging, I must say, I really like that it comes with a pump, but it just get real messy and dirty. Just, you know, like your usual glass um, container, or like the glass foundation. But yeah, so in this half of my face, I will try to apply this powder foundation. Now, I don't know how to use powder foundation, so good luck. And this is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. So it comes with this. Okay, hold on, let me open this. Okay, right there. And I don't know if that's gonna match me because it looks way too light. I think this, I don't know. Because some of the powder foundation, the only one that's left over there is like it has that little pinky tone, and I'm not, no. So okay, let's try this one, and it comes with this applicator, like sponge, and with the mirror as well. So okay, let me see. I'll just grab this one and put it in my face. I look like a ghost. Hold on. It does have a little, it's kind of like light to medium coverage. As you guys can see, it covers up my, I do have like redness in this like area. So that's how it looks like. And this is way too white. I look like a ghost. So right there, and this is like in the other side. But we're gonna make this work. I'm gonna try to make this work. Okay, guys. So, yeah, this is my face. I look like complete. I don't know. I don't even wanna. Ugh. So yeah, this powder is just like, it's good, but the shade, it's not for me. So I'm gonna end up probably returning this powder because it's just way too white. Like, I look like a ghost. Like, my face is white and my neck is like total opposite. So, but we're gonna work things out with the bronzer and everything because I'm not done. So anyway, let's see with the concealer. So I have two concealers right here. My two favorite is the Age Instant Rewind and the Fit Me Concealer. So in this side, I will be using this. Well, you know what? Let me just, because I like this. It's really creamy. So I'm going to use this Fit Me Concealer. And actually, the side of this foundation is actually good. It's not separating or anything. That's good. So just put this concealer on and blend this out. Okay guys, so I think this is much better than earlier because we really look, we look crazy earlier. Okay, so I did cream contour. I do not have a concealer or like a cream contour from Maybelline, so I just used I cheated, so I used my Makeup Revolution. But anyway, moving on with the powder, I want to set my powder with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Translucent Powder. This is like my fave as well from the drugstore, and I'm in the shade 05 Fair Clear, so I'll have to use this to set my under eye. But I'm not gonna bake, so all I'm gonna do is take the powder and just like, do it like that, and just press it in to my skin. Now I do have combination skin, you guys. My T-zone, that's the part of my face where I know I'm normally oily, so I have to put not a lot, but like, you know, I'll just have to put powder over there so my foundation or will not move that much. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah. So just, as you can see, I'm pressing the powder, and by the way, guys, so it's the, I forgot that it's totally a powder foundation. Now it actually it's actually work as I apply the concealer and the Makeup Revolution cream contour. It doesn't, it's not giving me any problems at all. It's still there, it's not moving or anything, so that's really good. So let me just set this face right there, so dust off the excess. I also do this every time, like this reverse contour. I learned this from Jackie Aina. Order. Look at me like I'm crazy. So yeah, like that. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Okay, anyway, let's move on with the, whatchamacallit, bronzer. Now I do have this bronzer, the new one, and this is the old, I mean not old, but I do have this Master Bronze. This is the bronze and highlight kit, but I feel like I'm not gonna use this because I'm really intrigued of using this and I want to try, and this is just, I think, the new one. So I picked up the shade, I believe in the counter while I was at Walmart, they do have 3 different shades. There's light, I think it was like 100, and this is 200, and I feel like the darkest one is the 300. So I will be using the shade 200 for, to kind of like, it says here bronzer and contour sculpting powder right there. It has that very nice packaging. It has like gold details in the side, and it smells actually good, and that's the powder looks like right there. So we're gonna take a bronzing brush to bronze up my face. Okay, I need a mirror, hold on. This didn't come with a mirror, but it's okay. Let's just use this one right there. It smells like, I don't know, it's not chocolate, but it smells good. And I forgot that I also like doing this with my nose. I like to bronze up my nose. Same bronzer, I will be using this Alamar brush. So just lightly tap off the excess and bronze my nose. So this powder foundation doesn't move at all. Like I did put a cream product over on top of it. I don't know if that's how you do it, but it doesn't move at all. This looks so nice. Anyway, okay, moving on with the blush. I do have 2 blushes right here. This is the Fit Me blush. I have the shade Berry Bay and Wine. So this is Berry Bay, right there, and this is wine. Yep. So Berry Bay, focus, sir. I'm here. I'm right here. All right, and this is wine. Okay. So I think I will be using Berry Bay. This is pretty, like, more of like, I don't know. I suck at this. I really suck at explaining shade color. So let's just use this and move on with our life. So here, just slightly with my Wet n Wild blush brush. That's pretty. Okay guys, so I did set my face first before applying the highlighter. The highlighter I'm gonna use today is my all-time favorite. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and in this shade 100 Molten Gold, right there. So, and I also like doing is spraying my highlighter brush first, as well, and apply the highlight. So okay, we're gonna grab this highlighter and just put it right here. Hmm. Like, keep it right there. I mean, look at the highlight, honey. Okay guys, so that's the highlight right there. I mean, come on, it's so pretty, right? So I will be setting my face with this Morphe continuous setting spray, since I forgot to pick up a setting spray from Maybelline. But oh my goodness. Okay, the yellow inner corner fades, so we're gonna try to put her again, which is the lemonade craze. Okay, so right there, that yellow color right there. I'm gonna try to put that just using my finger, because she's not cooperating if I'm trying to use a brush. She's just like, nope, nope, try it again. So right there. Yeah, I really think this is better. On with the lipstick. So I do have here my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. Now you guys, this liquid lipstick literally stays forever. I don't like, I tried this lipstick a couple times. I do have 3 different shades, which is I have Fighter, Driver, and I'm gonna use Amazonian. You guys, this liquid lipstick literally stays with you like forever. Like, you know, your boyfriend's gonna leave you and this lipstick won't. Like, I tried oily foods, I still have lipstick. Like literally, it's not gonna move. Like once you put it, like once you put your this lipstick on your lips, that's it. It's a wrap. That's it. Like what? But anyway, I'm gonna put this on my lips right now. Enough of me talking. So yeah, and this is the shade 70 Amazonian. I believe this is $7 something, almost $8. So I don't have a lip liner, so it's just right here, and it smells actually good. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys like this look. And at first, like while I was applying the foundation, I thought it's gonna be like a shitty look, and I really thought that, you know, I can't fix the, you know, like the foundation, but it turns out so freaking good. and I did like the foundation. This is the Super Stay foundation, and also like this powder foundation. I really thought that it's not gonna work for, because at first while I was applying the foundation, it looks really really white. Like, this is not my shade. I'm gonna try to go to Walmart and exchange the shade. If can I do that? But I'm gonna try to go there and try to find like as closest to my shade, because this 220 natural beige is way too light for me. But with the help of the bronzer, like I said earlier, it really does help. And with the blush and the highlight, stuff like that. But anyway, overall, you guys, I do like everything, but I'm still trying to keep play with this palette, because it's really not that pigmented. Like, you have to keep building and building the eyeshadow, especially with the shimmery shade. I did feature this palette on my, I believe, trying new products. This was like 4 something like that months ago. And but I did kind of like the pop of yellow color shade, but it's not gonna work if you're gonna apply it with the brush. So what I did is just like I literally just apply it with my finger. So that's that. It's just like, I don't know, I just have to keep try to keep using it. And yeah, this is just like the least of my favorite out of everything, but the lips is really great, like the liquid lipstick. But yeah, enough of me talking. Make sure to check out my previous makeup tutorial while I was like full face using 8 high-end products. I will put the link right here. And that is it, you guys. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.